All right, let's see. Opening up another unboxing. Got a stack of books. I was trying to do two unboxings in one, but the other box hasn't gotten here, so you guys are getting a treat. 2 videos, possibly this weekend. But I got some pretty cool books on Instagram. Got a key right there. First Robin King, well, minor key. Got some cool Star Wars. Patrick Gleason, Captain America right there with Black Widow. Another Darth Vader. Some Venom. Venom. From this run. That's pretty cool. Just another little unboxing for you guys, you know. Hope you guys are getting your guys' books in. Any filler, you know, any comics that need to fill those runs, you know how it is. I'm trying to get my Spider-Man game on even more. Look at that, Spider-Man 2099. I knew I got some type of Spider-Man. I just didn't know which ones. You guys can probably check out the Instagram profile. I'll have some of these up for sale. Harley Quinn, Miles Morales, Spider-Man. Probably not the Spider-Man ones, because those are the ones that I'll probably end up keeping. But some of the other ones, yeah. I know a lot of people are looking for Harley Quinns and the Star Wars, so gotta give the people what they want. Got Superman, a book that everybody was kind of like up in arms about. Spider-Man 2099. Some issues that I didn't have, you know. It's pretty cool. Ghost Rider. And last but not least, I got these Batman ones. These are pretty cool. Yeah, pretty good haul. Not too bad, not too shabby. Let me know if you guys want anything, you know. If you guys are interested in anything, hit me up on Instagram. I'm always on there. Subscribe. Do what you gotta do. I'll link some of socials on the description. But yeah, tune in for the next unboxing. I'll see you guys soon.